all day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new.
According to TMZ, Kobe Bryant and at least 3 other people were in his private helicopter when the crash happened. I want to be very clear here, Fox.
With the 13th pick in the 1996 NBA draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Kobe Bryant from Lower Merion High School in Pennsylvania.
He definitely is in the top 10 players of all time, no question about it.
He's the best player in the game?
Oh, hands down.
He's the best player in basketball, and I don't think it's even close.
He has some of the best skills that the NBA has ever seen in history.
Honestly, I look at Kobe Bryant as that guy.
Kobe Bryant, the 18-time NBA All-Star who won 5 championships and became one of the greatest basketball players of his generation during a 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers, died in a helicopter crash Sunday, January 26, 2020. He was 41 years old. Bryant died in a helicopter crash near Calabasas, California, a source told the Associated Press. It was unclear if family members were on the helicopter. The crash happened around 10 a.m. near about 30 miles northwest of downtown Los Angeles. Kobe's 13-year-old daughter, Gianna Maria Honor, was also on board the helicopter and died in the crash. Now, it's said that they were on their way to the Mamba Academy for a basketball practice when the crash occurred. The academy is in nearby Thousand Oaks. Federal Aviation Administration spokesman Alan Kennitzer said it was a Sikorsky S-76 and it was not known what caused the crash. Bryant retired in 2016 as the 3rd leading scorer in NBA history, finishing 2 decades with the Lakers as a prolific scorer with a sublime all-around game and a relentless competitive work ethic. He held that spot in the league scoring ranks until Saturday night when the Lakers' LeBron James passed him for 3rd place during a game in Philadelphia, Bryant's hometown. Continuing to move the game forward at King James, Bryant wrote in his last tweet, "Much respect, my brother." You know, it's easy to look at it from the side of him being one of the greatest basketball players who ever lived, because that's how most people saw him. That's how we saw him as fans. But let's not forget Kobe Bryant, the person. Kobe Bryant, the husband. Kobe Bryant, the father who wanted to coach his kids' team. Kobe Bryant, the mentor and role model to not just little kids inspired to make it to the NBA someday, but also Kobe Bryant, the icon who gave the youth hope, you know? Seeing a hardworking, talented, and blessed young man come up out of Philadelphia to achieve something greater than himself, sometimes perceived to being larger than even life. Like, you just have to admit that it's inspiring. This man gave people life. This man gave people hope, the will, the drive to go on. This icon showed us that with the right amount of perseverance and dedication, you can accomplish a great deal. It's just sad to see him go because he was a pillar within the community, especially given the fact that he impacted the lives of so many black men, so many African Americans, so many people around the world nevertheless. Like, so many lives were just touched by this phenom, this legend. It's always a tragedy to see one go too soon, way before his time. Kobe was asked if he felt like he had more to offer after retiring from the game he gave his life to, and his response was just beyond refreshing. Kobe responded and said he felt like he was just beginning. Not just a new phase in his life, like, not just a new chapter in his book, but he had so much to offer. It's like he knew he wasn't nearly ready to slow down. And to all the families and genuine friends of those involved in the crash on a whole, you know, condolences all around. It just really sucks. Like, all we can ask and wonder whenever a tragedy like this strikes is why? Why this person? Why now, you know? Why lose one of the good ones when we weren't ready? And he certainly wasn't ready to go. We can only hope and pray that his life and his actions were that much of an example for people to emulate and strive to be the good and positive figure this man was. Prayers out to his family, to his friends, loved ones, and even the fans whose lives he touched. Kobe Bryant, another one gone too soon, but not soon to be forgotten. Rest in peace, Kobe. You did great, fam.
What it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Can we go back? This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go off, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now, sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go